Do you want to unfollow deactivated accounts on Instagram? You can remove any deactivated or deleted Insta account from your followers list with just a few simple steps. Before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Check them out. To unfollow deactivated accounts on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you are on Instagram, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now, you are on your Instagram profile page. On your profile page, tap on the followers option at the top of the screen to see the list of accounts that follow you. At the top of your followers list, you will see a categories section. Under the categories, tap on deactivated accounts. Now, on the new screen, you will see a list of people who follow you but have either deleted or deactivated their accounts. To unfollow and remove them from your followers list, tap on Remove next to the person's name. Once confirmed, the account will be removed from your followers list.